ever struggled to connect all your Apple devices to public Wi-Fi network? Imagine if your iPhone, iPad, and Mac could sync Wi-Fi logins seamlessly. No hassle, no passwords. Well, iOS 19 might just make that a reality. Stick around, because today on GadInsider, we're diving into this game-changing feature that's got Apple fans buzzing. GadInsider, your go-to source for the latest in tech, gadgets, and innovation. According to a recent report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Apple's upcoming iOS 19 could revolutionize how you connect to public Wi-Fi networks. We're talking coffee shops, airports, hotels, anywhere you'd normally fumble with passwords. Let's break down what this means for you and your Apple ecosystem. Picture this: you log into a public Wi-Fi network on your iPhone at your favorite cafe. With iOS 19, that login could automatically sync to your iPad and Mac, so they connect without you lifting a finger. No more typing passwords or dealing with those annoying captive login pages. It's like iCloud keychain for Wi-Fi credentials, but for public networks. Now, here's the deal. This isn't just about convenience. It's about making your life smoother and more secure. Public Wi-Fi networks can be tricky, but Apple's rumored system could prioritize secure connections and streamline the process across your devices. And since it's Apple, you know they'll bake in privacy features to keep your data safe. While we don't have the exact details yet, the report suggests iOS 19 will build on Apple's existing auto-join technology, which already scores networks based on your usage. This could mean your devices automatically pick the best Wi-Fi option, whether it's a private network at home or a public one on the go. Expect this to roll out with iPhone 11 and later models, based on current compatibility rumors. But let's talk timing. Apple's expected to unveil iOS 19 at WWDC 2025 in June, with a public release likely in fall 2025. So we're still a few months out, but this feature could be a total game changer for anyone juggling multiple Apple devices. Imagine the time you'll save at airports or co-working spaces. Plus, this shows Apple doubling down on making their ecosystem even tighter. If you're already all in on iPhone, iPad, and Mac, iOS 19 can make your devices feel like one unstoppable team. Who wouldn't want that? Alright, GadInsider fam, are you hyped for iOS 19's Wi-Fi sync feature? Drop a comment below. Would you use this at coffee shops, airports, or somewhere else? And if you want to stay on top of all things Apple, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a GadInsider update.